हे हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू हैकर एसोसिएट एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज बात करते हैं हाउ टू रिमूव कॉपीराइट स्ट्राइक ओके फ्रॉम द यूट्यूब चैनल। सो हियर व्हाट हैपन एक्चुअली ड्यूरिंग द दिवाली टाइम ओके लाइक आई गॉट अ email from YouTube, your video taken down okay from that your server, and immediately I just checked it okay like, and that video definitely no longer more on the internet, and I was frustrated and just want to understand what exactly happened, क्या हुआ अचानक से ये वीडियो कहाँ डिलीट हो गया। लाइक आई वाज थिंकिंग ऑन दैट मैनर। सो देन ओके लाइक एज आई मेंशन लाइक calm mind can handle anything, and as I know like I upload okay my content. So let's understand okay there are two things okay you will receive okay on YouTube. One is copyright strike and second is copyright claim. Okay, so when you talk about copyright strike in this particular case okay like we can say the vendor or maybe other company, they think in that manner that you uploaded someone else content, and if you are sure that like it is your content and you created the content and you are the owner of the content, then okay you can sue them. That exactly I did okay the same thing okay to them. So I created okay 20 pages PDF, and this PDF okay we can easily create okay using chat GPT, and I just mentioned okay like this is my content, I got that this is copyright strike and they remove my video from the YouTube channel. What I will do that, so first I'm going to show you how it look like. So you can see this is basically my Vivaldi browser, and here you can see I got the email from here. This is YouTube. You can see the timing. This is exactly during the Diwali time, 1st November. And hi hacker associate, okay, video title, all this, and you can see content found in entire video, and remove request by NC Soft Corporation. So generally when people see this thing first time, people frightened, okay, and they understand, they basically try to understand why they removed it. And if basically they removed it, maybe I think someone have done that manner only, like some content like they found okay like some kind of same content on the YouTube things, so maybe they removed the content. So but I was very sure okay this is my content. So what I always do is I always basically create a backup whatever I'm uploading. So when I just see the backup and I exactly found that video, I just copied my device ID, all metadata about that video, and immediately I try to compose the email, okay, and I want to sue them. In specifically when you go to the YouTube, there is a one button is there okay called counterfeit, okay, so that okay you can click on this, and then okay like you can submit okay your details to the YouTube. Okay, you can also check the YouTube support thing as well. So here okay like you can see, and after that 1 hour you can see clearly they release my claim and my video again back okay on my channel. And now whatever they strike, this is basically a fake strike they sent to me, and I responded okay in that manner only. So as I mentioned, if you get okay like copyright strike, don't worry on this area, be calm, okay, understand why you got this thing. If you have any video or backup kind of thing, please check it, or maybe if you posted on LinkedIn or someone or somewhere other okay like platform, okay, please check that particular platform and accordingly you can act accordingly. Okay, so this is the part. So एक वीडियो आया अचानक से इन्होंने रिमूव कर दिया, मैंने देखा कि लाइक मेरी डिवाइस आईडी कंटेंट आईडी कहाँ पे है, आई जस्ट चेक दैट कंटेंट आईडी एंड एवरीथिंग एज वट एवर आई रिकॉर्डेड, एंड इमीडिएटली आई replied to this particular email, and then okay they remove that particular video. That's how okay you handle the copyright strike. तो आपको डरने की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, like anyone can get a fake strike, but make sure okay like you upload okay your content only, and if you're sure okay it is your content, then no one can give a strike like that. Okay, so make sure like that okay you upload okay your content. Thank you for watching the video, and if you need any assistance for this kind of stuff, you can write in the comment section, I'll help you out. Thank you, have a great day.